y'all, welcome back to Bible Treasures and Reviews. I want to thank Holman for sending me this Shepherd's Notes New Testament 1-volume commentary. This is linen cloth overboard. Here's the spine, and there's the back. And so I want to walk with you through this. It is a concise and helpful commentary highlighting key truths for every New Testament book. They'll be coming out with the Old Testament book in the future. So we're going to find out how to use this book. It's designed for the busy user, for quick access, and it's designed to work for you. These are the abbreviations in the CSB Bible. Each New Testament book will have an introduction, an author, an audience, and a purpose. And I'm going to show you what Matthew looks like, and then I'm going to go into specific details about the details that's all throughout these pages. So this has the date and place of writing, distinctives in Matthew's Gospel, a word study here. So you've got word picture, and then we begin with Matthew. And here's Matthew 1, and you're going to find in capital letters, bold print, commentary all about what you're learning in Matthew 1. Here's personal application, Old Testament reference, historical background, and then every chapter has a summary, and there's going to be study questions. So the section summary, for example, in Matthew 2 says, this event shows God's intention to bless Gentiles as well as Jews through his Son. The openness and obedience of these Gentiles stand in sharp contrast to the hostility towards Jesus on the part of Herod. Then you've got Joseph and Mary escape from King Herod, another section summary, and then we have our study guide questions. So that's all based on Matthew 2. You've got references to the Old Testament, historical background, and another Old Testament reference. So each chapter is going to look like this in that you've got the bold print, the summaries, and the questions. So as we move through this, it's going to have comprehensive book outlines for each book to help you locate specific passages. So again, these are all in capital letters that have been done in bold print, so you can quickly go to that. Here's the summaries. So this is in Acts 16, and it's saying twice the Spirit guided the movement of the gospel. Rather than moving toward the northern part of Asia Minor, as Paul desired, the gospel was pointed toward the Western world. And so those summaries, these are for key passages to help understand the core biblical truth and principles. Now on the margins, these are all designed to help identify recurring themes in each book throughout Scripture. So word study, New Testament reference, historical background, personal application. And then we're going to find different call-outs and helpful charts to give additional background information, definitions, and also cultural or historical information. So in particular, this is Paul's list of spiritual gifts. And then, as I mentioned, we have study questions at the end of each and every chapter to use as discussion starters and encourage interaction within the text. So this was based on Ephesians 1. You can see all the different charts here going back to the opening of Ephesians. So Ephesians in a nutshell, intro, author, purpose, date, audience, ministry, structure, literary features, theology, distinctives in Ephesians by topic, a basic outline, maps. There's your questions for study. There's a summary, word pictures, that's your word study. And here are some more charts. All right, so now I want to show you, just flipping through here, not stopping at anything in particular, but this is just so that you can see the variety and pages with charts and the maps that are included with it. This is what one of the maps looks like. I think I showed you one of those. All right, so now we are going to move. See how you can journal? This is wide margin. Now we're going to move to this, which I found really interesting. This is a 7-page long millennial perspective on Revelation, and it's the different topics for a point of interpretation, amillennial, historical premillennial, dispensational premillennial, and postmillennial. This is 7 pages long and full of topics and what each group believes. When I move to back here, this is where we find the harmony between the 4 books of the gospel. Now, this is focusing on Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. And this is 10 pages long. So there are different topics based on the harmony of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. And then here we go to the back. So if you would, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when other videos are posted. I have verse mapping and other Bible studies on here, and also Bible reviews and commentary reviews. So I hope to see you again next time. Thanks so much, and check out my Amazon link in the description box to get your copy. Thanks so much, y'all. Bye-bye.